This account was previously restricted and I have resolved the restriction, and I want to show you the process that I used to do that. So check this carefully. So as you can see here, the account is fully reinstated. This is less than 24 hours after I made an appeal for it to be reinstated. In fact, it even got reinstated within 6 hours. In fact, normally it takes 48 hours, but it took 6 hours and I was able to get it reinstated. I'm going to give you the detailed process I followed in getting it reinstated. Please take time to follow this video to the end, because if you don't watch it to the end, you may make a mistake along the way and you will not be able to reverse the action. So take time and watch it. At the end of the video, if you don't get a solution, contact me and I will help you by following the links in the description. There's a WhatsApp link in the description. You can follow it. You can also comment and we'll follow up to help you. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will help you to solve the problem of Facebook account restricted. You are not allowed to use Meta products to advertise. This is because you didn't comply with one or more of our advertising policies affecting business assets, such as having too many ads rejected, attempting to circumvent our ad review process, participating in a fraudulent behavior, or associating with untrustworthy account. We use either technology to detect this violation. We use technology to detect this violation and technology to carry out this decision. Further violations of our advertising standard may result in your account being restricted. And you can see on the what you can do section, it says confirm your identity and request a review. And then you see something like you will need to confirm your identity with us for security purposes. Then you can let us know if you want to request a review of your account restriction. Now, what's happening is that when your advertising account is restricted, like what you are seeing here, you have to request a review. And before you can request a review, you have to confirm your identity. Now, normally you will see them saying that you violated advertising policies for all these they are mentioning here, but most of the time it's just a mistake. It's a mistake. If you want to know whether you actually violated a policy or not, when you see something like that, click on this blue link, open it up, come and read here. They are going to bring you to this particular, this is the policy they are talking about. They're saying violating content. Advertisers must comply with advertising policies. If we find that an ad account, page or user account or business account has violated our policies, an advertiser may face advertising restrictions depending on the type and severity of the violation. So you see that this is vague. There's no specific policy they've mentioned here. And all those they mentioned here are not true. None of these policies have been violated. So what it means is that they just have restricted this account, but it's definitely a mistake. So we need to resolve it. Yeah. So before we appeal, these are the procedures or what you need to do. First of all, you need to make sure that you get an ID card, and the ID card that you will need to confirm is either a national ID of your country, driving license, passport, and a voter ID card. You must get any of those. Now, after you get any of those IDs I mentioned, you must make sure that the name on the Facebook account and the birth date is matching exactly with what is on that particular ID card. So now this is what you need to do. So you come to your Facebook and then you click on your profile picture on the top right-hand corner, go to settings and privacy. From there, you go to settings. From there, you go to personal details. From there, you go to personal details here. You will see name. Okay, when you check under account, you see the name. Okay, you see the accounts that are there. Or profiles. Very good. You go to the profiles and you will see the name. So you check the name, you check the first name, the last name, and the middle name. First, last, and middle name. Make sure that they appear exactly as on the ID card. If they are not, please change it. If you don't change it, the identity confirmation will fail. Okay. Then after that, come to the personal details and check the date of birth. If you check the date of birth and it doesn't tally exactly with your correct date of birth, make sure that you make changes to it. If you don't make changes, it is going to affect you. So date of birth. Then also check the, what do you call it? Let me just log back in on another tab and show you. Okay, so also check the gender. The gender. Don't forget, if your date of birth and name, a date of birth and name are matching and the gender is not matching, you are still in trouble. So you check the gender to make sure that it is exactly what is on the ID card. Make sure these are the same. If they are not the same, you'll be in trouble. Okay, so if you are sure that is done, and for those who don't know how to even come to account quality in the first place, okay, those who don't know how to come to account quality, you have to just log into your account and then you click on the ad manager. When you click on the ad manager, it opens, and then from ad manager, you click on all tools. You see you are restricted. You can click on request review, or you can click on all tools, and then you go to business support home. It used to be called account quality, but it's now called business support home. So you can go to business support home, and then it will bring you to the account quality where I am now. Now, if all the changes are made, you just click on request review. Then it will say, confirm your identity and request a review. We'll guide you through a few steps to confirm your identity. Then you can request a review if you believe that your Meta account shouldn't be restricted. So you click on get started. Then click on I am not a robot. Continue. Then they will ask you of the numbers, which of them, or they may ask you to either add a number, or if you have some numbers there, they will send a code to one of the numbers for you to verify. Just going to verify one of the numbers. So they will send you the code. You put the code there. So when you put a code, you click on continue. They will ask you to upload an image of yourself. So you upload it. Now make sure that the image you are uploading should be it should be in the form of a rectangle or landscape shape so that it can fit into the space very well. If it is not, you make sure you adjust it. If not, if it is a vertical type of video image, it won't fit very well. So make sure that it's in the landscape shape. As you can see, this video was vertical, but I had to make it into the landscape so that at least the space, it will be able to fit. The image itself will fit very well. If not, it will have cut either the head or top down. So make sure you do that. Then you click continue. If you send a wrong, if the image doesn't fit well, you click on delete to delete it, and then repost. And as you can see, they said that we upload a photo that shows your face. That clearly shows your face. Make sure that the photo is well lit and isn't blurry. Don't include other people in the shot. We use this photo to help us check that this account belongs to you. We'll delete this photo once we have done this, and it will never appear on your profile. So you click continue. Like they didn't ask for the ID card. In some cases, they will ask for your ID card. In some cases, they may not ask. They may ask for your picture. Then after that, they say they are asking us to continue to request for review. So I've written a letter which I am adding, and in the letter I said, yeah, Facebook, my user account has been restricted and it's a big blow to my business because I'm told I've violated Facebook policies, such as having too many ads rejected, attempting to circumvent the ad review process, and participating in fraudulent behavior. And I'm sure I didn't violate any of these policies. I'm sure this will be a mistake and you should check, review it, and reinstate my account. And you click on send. Yeah, the review has been requested. So as you can see, it says that review requested on 27 September 2023. And we should, it says that we're reviewing your Facebook account to determine whether it was correctly restricted from advertising. We will notify you within 48 hours from when you requested the review. So you just have to wait. And within 48 hours, the account will be reinstated if you truly didn't violate any policy. Yeah. And if you follow this process and you don't get a solution, please don't hesitate to contact us. Please, you leave your comments in the comment section. Okay, leave your comments in the comment section. If you follow this procedure and you didn't get the help, there is a link, a WhatsApp link in the description you can follow to WhatsApp me. So follow the WhatsApp link. You can WhatsApp us. We can help you. You can book a Zoom call with us and we'll be able to help you get your issues resolved. That is what we are there for. We've helped more than 3,000 people in the last 5 years to be able to resolve their advertising restrictions. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video for other more powerful videos like this. Once again, bye-bye.